All right, back in the garage with the Arc Droid. Something a little different. Today's not Friday like a normal video drop. Today's Monday, Cyber Monday. So I don't sell anything, so how do I take advantage of Cyber Monday? Or can I? I don't know. Probably not. But it occurred to me that I could have a contest. So I have these two Santa's Workshop signs I made from saws. I'll put a link to the video for making these if you're interested or you haven't seen that. But so what I'm going to do is give them away. It occurred to me that I could give them away, but who do you give them to, right? So I think I'm going to give them away to people who watch my videos. And I don't know anything about YouTube giveaways really, so hopefully I don't screw this up, get in trouble with YouTube or anything. I do know you have to say that YouTube is not sponsoring this, and you know, they're not responsible for anything that goes wrong with it, but not sure what could go wrong. What I want to do is give both of those saws away to people who actually watch the videos. The only way I can know someone watches the videos is if they leave a comment. So what I want to do is have you leave a comment to this video. And so again, it's Cyber Monday. So leave a comment on this video telling me what you would like to see me do. So a video that you wish I had done on here, maybe calibrating Arc Droid, maybe something with the Bronco, like I did the bumper and the lights. I don't know, any project that you think would be good to do here. Keep it G rated, like 1950s Disney G. Anyway, so I may or may not do any of them. I probably won't even acknowledge any of them, but it gives me ideas to, you know, for what I can do that people might actually want to watch. So that's the key here. That's what I get out of this, is a little feedback on, you know, I mean, it'd be great if everybody said, it's perfect, you're doing the right thing, but I don't think that's true. So a little feedback on what you would like to see me do on here, a video you wish I had done or would like to see me do in the future. And doing that comment enters you to win the saw or one of the signs. I'm going to have to limit it to the United States only. I'm not going to do international shipping for something that's free. I'm not even selling stuff here. So it will be limited to the US, but it's a good time of year to do this. So starting when this drops on Cyber Monday 2023, you have until, let's say, midnight Thursday, so 4 days, to leave a comment. After that, you won't be eligible, because on Friday I'll drop a video with the randomly selected winners, and we'll get your contact information so I can mail you the signs. And then ideally you would have the sign and able to hang it up as a Christmas decoration this year. So it's a little bit tight timeline, but I think we can do that. So that's the gist of the giveaway. So starting when you see this video, add your comments. After Thursday, what is that? I think Friday is the 1st, right? So November 30th, Thursday, at midnight. So the 1st on midnight, the entries end. I'll select 2 people to win, and I'll reach out to you to get your contact information, and we'll send the saws out. So again, hopefully people will leave comments. I mean, it's a free gift, whether you give it away or hang it up, or you know a Santa with a workshop but he doesn't have a sign, whatever it is. Doesn't hurt you, no risk to you. So just leave a comment, give me some feedback on what you would like to see me do on the channel, and you're entered. So good luck, and hope to hear back from you. Thanks.